What is going on, guys? We'll take a look around at a full Mugen FD2R today. So pretty excited to show you guys this Civic Type R. So let's take a look. So I say full Mugen FD2R minus the wheels, but pretty much everything else is Mugen. So starting over here from the outside, the Mugen hood. This is carbon fiber that was painted over to match the championship white. We also have the Mugen grille, front grille, Mugen front lip, very aggressive look to it. And then even the small little details like the Mugen mirror glass. It says Mugen right here. And if you look over here, even the rear view is a Mugen carbon fiber cover as well. Small little details. And if you come around the back end, we see the Mugen wing. Very nice. Comes in FRP, was painted the paint match the car. I thought this was a bumper, but it's actually a rear diffuser. So this piece right here, slap that on, comes with this underneath piece as well. Very cool. Really aggressive look to it from the rear end. Absolutely love the wing setup. And to give you guys a rough idea, that's how they look in stock form, with the stock wing, stock diffuser, stock bumper. And this is how it looks with the Mugen setup. So yeah, very aggressive, love it. Alright, so let's check out the interior setup. More Mugen goodies. So let me switch on the light to show you guys. Pretty dark in here. So starting over here, we have the Mugen steering wheel in leather. We also have the, I believe, the NSXR horn. Very nice. This hub right here is also from Mugen. Apparently it's of the race car, so very rare and hard to find. We have this little Mugen, I guess you could say, control, which is, I believe, also pretty rare to get. And that's paired to the Mugen gauge cluster. Very nice. And the interior bits also extend to the Mugen bucket seats, paired with some seat belts. The shift knob is actually not a Mugen shift knob. It is an S2000 shift knob that has a lot of sentimental value to the owner. Small little Mugen goodies right there. Here's a better look at the Mugen gauges. So beautiful. This one's actually not Mugen. This is spoon rearview mirror. This is a overlay, glass overlay. This one's a sticker. Yeah, the whole black and red theme, such a Type R color. Very nice. Let's check out the engine bay. More Mugen goodies. And here is underneath the hood of the Mugen FD2R. So this is a Mugen hood. You can see all your Japanese writings everywhere. It is painted over. Engine bay, Mugen coil pack cover, carbon fiber, Mugen oil cap. Over here, Mugen radiator cap. No Mugen intake, but the owner, I believe, has it, waiting to get it installed. So engine bay will pretty much be all Mugen goodies pretty soon. So what do you guys think? Are you guys a fan of the full Mugen FD2R? Or are you guys a fan of the more stock looking FD2Rs? I know in the US it's a car that a lot of enthusiasts love, but you don't have, because the car never came to the United States. All the guys have the 8th gen Honda Civic SIs, like the FA5, the FG2. FA5 guys that could do a conversion to look like the FD2R. But yeah, so cool to be able to see these cars here in Singapore. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys like that walk around of the Mugen Civic Type R, the FD2R. It is definitely a pretty rare car, and we don't get that car in the United States. So whenever I see the car like the FD2R, I get excited. Much less a full Mugen out FD2R. Really awesome. So leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.